Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Top taster experiments. Let's go. So today we're going to be making a volcano. We have distilled white vinegar from Costco. You get 2 big bottles for like $4, okay? And then we need Play-Doh, but not just any kind of Play-Doh or clay. We need the type that is washable because we will be reusing it. So I'm going to give each kid a gold paper plate and then a measuring cup. The measuring cup is basically so they can actually fill it up with everything that's needed, and then it's going to explode. Honestly, the Play-Doh is not even really needed. So this Play-Doh came from Walmart. It's called Sargent Art, and it's basically washable and reusable. I'm using this to make it look real, right? Because honestly, I could just put the volcano explosion inside of the cups and then let it happen. But no, I want them to feel like they have their own volcanoes that they made. So I have them smushing that around the actual cup. And then in these containers, we're going to put baking soda and vinegar. I did not measure it because basically when the two things touch, they just going to explode. We did put a little bit of red dye in there, stir that up so that it can give the effect of the floor is lava. I honestly should have played that. And don't be judging on my house. Don't be judging my house, y'all. Y'all know we just moved in, okay? So I'm still getting the house together. But anyway, so I had Tegan go ahead and put different things around the bottom of hers because I wanted her to see what happens to, say if it was people or community or houses at the bottom, what would happen to that. I also want them to make their predictions, so let's see what they think.
No! It's gonna explode?
That'd be me. Yeah.
Tachi, what's gonna happen?
No.
Explode?
Someone now. Yeah,
Alright, so you heard the tots. They said they think it's going to explode, so we're going to just go take a little bit of the Dawn soap, literally a dot of Dawn soap, and put that in the cup first. Then we're going to have each child sprinkle a little bit of baking powder. This recipe is so easy. You can honestly do it at home with your tots. Like again, I said I did not really measure it. I just put a little bit of everything in there. So a dot of Dawn soap first, and then a little bit of baking soda. I wanted to kind of give everybody their own individual cups, and I was like, that's going to be a lot of dishes. We could do this with some spoons. So then I went ahead and I just gave each kid a spoon and let them scoop out some baking soda and drop a little bit in there. And we are going to see, I had them guess, what do they think is going to make it explode? Will it be the Dawn soap, the baking powder, or the vinegar? So now Taichi's going to try it. As you can see in this part of the video, I did miscalculate, so they needed a little bit more vinegar. I would say possibly we tried about 4 tablespoons and that wasn't enough. And I was like, you know what, Tegan, forget this, just pour it in there. So once they poured it in there, it finally did explode. It was something fun. Their faces, watch their faces, y'all.
Mom, the people are dying. All right, that's enough. Give it to Taichi. Give it to Taichi. Mommy, look, the people are dying. All right, Taichi.
Dude, can I touch?
That boy literally started calling on Jesus. Oh my gosh, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. He was like so shocked. But anyway, did y'all notice how when each of the volcanoes exploded, it all started to go down one side first? That is called the ring of fire. So when a volcano explodes, it kind of makes this like half circle, if you notice, like, you know, in real life. So this is just the way that the kids get to imagine and see, you know, earth or natural disasters that happen. And yeah, they get to consider being a scientist when they grow up with different experiments like this. So this is what the project looked like when I was done. I went ahead and I washed all 3 cups. As I stated before, the Play-Doh is washable, so that's what it's looking like. We just wet it and it came right off the cup, and it's ready for our next project. Comment down below, let us know what we should try. If you have any cool activities, you know I love trying new things, and I pray that we have inspired you to try something new today. Bye guys, and thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.